This is my office. It's Sunday, we have some progress, we have pictures on the wall, we have pictures on the wall here. This is my self-made sun blind. Then I'm just trying to get the marks from the floor, hard rock, all the little bits in between. We have a light already on. Then the wardrobes are up. The only issue is if the door is the wrong way around. So this has to be on the other side because I want to have the thicker outstanding door on this side. The only job I have to change here. Then we have a very nice picture, self-painted by Patrick Tantum. And I was wrong with the picture. So this is a housewarming gift from the Tantums.
Yeah, this is I think it's the Amanda Rose, because it's the yellow with the red center, and it represents you, Rocky, and myself.
Yep. That's Rocky. Let's go this way. Bathroom is all tiled, but some tiles are broken. All the X marked has to be replaced.
And we're waiting for the plumber to come back to fit the toilet, the sink. The sink's also in the wrong place. That's got to be.
Yeah, we found out it's on the wrong place, but it will work. Hopefully.
Yeah, we'll sort it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then here, the planning is still ongoing.
And the kitchen.
Paul is coming back on Monday. Kitchen is tiled but needs grouting.
And the floor.
The walls.
Yeah.
All the walls have to be tiled. Living room.
Was looking tidy, but
It was looking tidy before you started, but we have the mirror up. We bought the cable for
I think
the
the
chandelier.
mirror looks a bit low.
I think it's okay. I'm not touching it again. You have already some decoration out, the new cupboards are built up. The table looks actually quite good in here. I wanted to buy a new table, but this one is good for now.
Yeah.
Then some books and the Lego house and...
That needs tidying up a bit and rearranging. This one's looking...
So here, another gift, housewarming gift for Annelies Tantum, self-painted, and this is
Mandello.
Mandello Delario. And this picture, it was also a gift, and it was not a housewarming gift, it was my birthday gift. So
Okay.
it goes in my office, Andrew. Yeah, you can find another picture for this wall.
Yeah, but I think it looks quite good there.
No, has to go in my offices. Then we have another chair from the neighbors.
Yeah, so we had a chair similar to this in the apartment, but it belonged to the apartment, but it was very comfortable, and it's only like an IKEA type thing. But then when we went to England, we saw Jin, and she was actually getting rid of it.
Yeah.
So it's got a new home.
We found space in the van. So now we're going to the sofa party. Massive sofa.
Yeah, how many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easily 8.
Easy 10. Yeah, we have another sideboard unit come on the wall.
Yeah, that will hang just here with the TV above.
Yeah.
And we need a coffee table, which we mentioned. And
And the kitchen block has to go out.
while we've got the drill out today, we need to move the head down a little bit so we can put his anklers on.
Yeah.
So we need to do that next. Yeah. And the sunshades are working in here as well now, so helps keep it. Yeah, helps keep it a little bit cool.
Echo proof.
Very good.
Cool, huh?
Yeah.
And we have all over cameras now. Doorbell
Security.
camera, gate camera so we see what's happening here.
Happy birthday. Lots of love, Mum, Bill and Buddy. Thank you.
The only trouble we're having is
Salami picante.
still
For me.
the electrician has to
Surprise.
come back to sort out to
Pizza
put a-
carbonara.
the thing. So we need a
And this is,
Valtellina,
it's gluten-free,
lactose-free,
everything free.
but has goat's cheese, which I can eat.
Very good.
I fell in love with it.
Gina, what have you ordered?
Chips.
All for yourself.
I mean,
Did you say extra fries or exercise?
extra fries means exercise. So I have to be this thin.
Like this.
So this is one of the, I think, their best meals right here. You want to try some?
I think you need some chips with that.
You could dip the chips in here for sure.
It's a good side dish.
Have a look how this goes, huh?
Now we just need to find 12 of these. Shouldn't be too difficult.
Of course, we're not buying new doors directly. So as we tiled the floor higher, we have to cut a little bit off from the doors. Does it fit? Low budget saw.
Good morning.
Good morning, beautiful people and beautiful dogs.
So we did quite a lot of work at the weekend, and yeah, also my birthday, so we went out, and yeah, so far this week we've put the cabinet on the wall in the reading room. I tried to get the chandelier working yesterday, but it wasn't working for some reason, so I don't know what the problem is there. Maybe there's a faulty cable or something.
Yeah, we got a nice cable, but it's not working.
Not working. We cut the doors yesterday evening and put those back on because we had to take the doors off because of the tiles.
And the bedroom door and the living room door to the balcony is like a double door, so 2 doors.
Yeah.
Outside and inside doors, we need to take off the inside door to put the tiles on. But it's getting so hot during the day when the sun is shining on it, and especially on the sun blinds, and so the heat comes in. So we wanted to have them back on. So we did that last night.
One of the sun blinds as well was broken, so we tried to fix that, but not very successful with it. Still a bit stiff.
You put it manually down, I think.
Yeah. And then another trip to the DIY store this morning to get more tiles. So yeah, busy morning. And I think this afternoon's job is to fit the bedside cabinets. Going to do that this afternoon.
And tonight we can do the arch, the wooden panels.
Oh yeah.
We also need cutting.
So yeah, lots to do, and it's getting quite warm again, and I've got some concreting to do as well, but it's quite a big job, so yeah, got to get the motivation to do that one. And Rocky had a swim in the lake.
Yeah, yesterday evening we went swimming also, and tonight I want to go swimming again.
Okay.
Trying to make him swim.
See you later.
See you later. Cheers.